If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast, -5. Highlights, +20. Shadows, +30. Whites, -5. Blacks, +10. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Tint, +5. Vibrance, +80. Saturation, -40. Open color mix. Red, hue, +20. Luminance, +40. Orange. Hue, -30. Saturation, +15. Luminance, +40. Yellow. Hue, -100. Saturation, +5. Luminance, +25. Green. Hue, -70. Saturation, +10. Luminance, +30. Aqua. Hue, +35. Saturation, +65. Luminance, -100. Blue. Hue, -35. Saturation, -30. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +25. Saturation, +35. Luminance, -30. Move to midtones. Hue, +200. Saturation, +25. Luminance, plus 20. Blending, plus 70. Balance, plus 15. Edit Global. Luminance, minus 20. Open the Effects section. Clarity, plus 10. Dehaze, plus 20. Vignette. Amount, minus 5. Midpoint, plus 65. Roundness, plus 100. Feather, plus 60. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.